tyres are arriving. I've been waiting 7 weeks, 6 weeks for these. Hopefully they're the right ones, John. They look a bit skinny. Thank you, mate.
I just need to take, yeah, if you don't mind, I need to take a picture of them together.
Yeah. Do you want me to sit on them?
No. just can't put it.
Thank you, mate.
Thank you.
Cheers. We have some tyres. Yeah. I can't believe we've waited so long for these. Hopefully they're the right ones,
isn't they?
They look big. Just a small thing.
Yeah.
Here we go. I went for Toyo. Hopefully you can see this. Toyo Open Country. All-terrain tyres. So they're more of a... They're not really an off-roady tyre. But, because obviously most of my mileage is going to be on the road, so...
But they'll get you up the gravel drive, all
yeah.
right?
Yeah, they get me up the gravel drive to the manor house.
Yeah.
Good morning, welcome to week 10 of the Range Rover restoration project. For a few more updates this morning, John has been working on probably the most important job in my opinion. So we're trying to get the Range Rover badge back on, but it's been a bit tough, hasn't it, with the spacing, and because they're not all uniform, are they?
No, I was mucking around this morning. I couldn't quite get the spacing right. Couldn't work out why I couldn't get the spacing right. Went online, found a few key measurements between the Range Rover, the E and the R. So we know that's 3.5 inches. But the actual lettering is all very slightly different to each one. So what we did is we got a picture of an original
Range Rover badge.
Range Rover bonnet. We've scaled our badge to that. Printed it out.
And use that as a template.
And use this as our template.
For
my good friend Paul.
And there you go. Look at that now.
And there we are.
So that's how we managed to do it. Looks good, doesn't it? I've gone for the original kind of Range Rover font. So this was on the earlier ones. I just think it's just a bit more classic. Got the matte black lettering. But yeah, look at that.
Looking good.
Look at that. Don't think it's quite middle, John.
You're not.
No, I just did that. Here we go. This is what it looks like. Boom. And now we are changing the tailpipe. So obviously I said in the last episode that this one's a bit big for me and it's kind of comes out of the bumper too much, and I think it's just a little bit too boy racer for me, and we want to go for that more classic style. So we've got a new tailpipe that we're going to weld on, but you won't be able to tell really, will you? We'll all kind of look. Yeah.
That's going almost up to the rear silencer, so
yeah, exactly. So yeah, that's going on now. So we'll check back in with John in a sec. Another exciting delivery. What we got? Right. You need the hammer for that, don't you?
I don't know, man.
You sure?
Yeah.
Cool then.
Oh, that's already
You need the hammer for that, don't you?
Oh, no.
Oh, I'm left with the one that
then.
you actually need the hammer for.
No, you don't.
Exactly. You've done me over.
Oh, come on, please.
Oh, do come on.
Well, one-handed, isn't it? Right, come on then, guys. What are we up to?
Drew, could you
Right, this is the new windscreen.
could you open the windscreen for me, Dave?
Don't be crazy.
Come on, Barry. Let's get that going.
Let's not be crazy about it.
Down.
Down.
Down, 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 down.
Well, you think it'd be a bit more serious since he's paying the bills.
Yeah.
Listen, I
Be a
take
bit
this very
faster.
seriously. That's why I've got confidence on the go here.
Have you really?
Yeah, of course I
Oh
have.
my god.
I don't mess around with this stuff, do you know what I mean? I'm too busy to be making coffee anymore.
Oh, mate. If that had been us, we'd have actually gone.
Can't believe they're on. Looks good, doesn't it?
Absolute battery.
They're big, aren't they?
Oh, love it.
I'm so happy.
Cool.
So happy. All right, so this morning we are having obviously the new wheels fitted to the new tyres which are going on the car, which is kind of going to complete the outside really. But yeah, we've got Mark from Street Tyres here. Yeah, looking good. I can't wait to get them on. I am in the car and we are doing the bleeding of the brake. So I've got a list of John and Jazz and put my foot on the brake when I need to bleed the brake through. But we are getting there. We are getting there. And then we're going to get the wheels on, the new wheels and tyres on, and give you a little whip round and see what it looks like. All right, ready? Pumping. Work on the headliner.
You happy?
Very.
There we go.
Definitely. Yeah.
Look nice in the car, that.
I can't believe it, yeah. I mean, compared to what it was, blimey. It's lovely fabric, isn't it?
You're driving like that.
Yeah, I will be. Okay, quite a bit of time has passed since I last updated you on the Range Rover, and all will be explained in this video. But currently, this is what she is looking like. Pretty much finished. She's now going off to the trimmers. So loading her up on the trailer and going off to go and see Andy to get all trimmed. Bit of a beast to get her in, but she's in. We're back here with Andy. Let me check my mic's on. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
Filming. So you've done some bits, yeah?
Yeah, well,
So I've not seen any of this yet.
take it off.
Yeah? The little reveal.
Yeah.
Here we go. Look at that. Flippin' heck. Look at that, looks brilliant. That looks excellent. I can't believe it, look at this. Oh, that's bang on. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. The colour looks, look at, you can see with the cream.
Yeah.
Look how good that's gonna look.
Good.
Look at this, I mean guys, you would have remembered what they looked like before. That is day and night, and we've got
You've got a little back seat there.
back seat here already done as well, look at this.
And the other half's in here.
And the other half, okay. Oh, exciting, so exciting. No way. It looks so good. It looks so good. All right, we are back at Coast to Cushion Co. So Andy has been making pretty amazing progress on the car so far. So this is all, the carpets are in. This all still needs to be done, but look, you can see kind of what the seats are looking like. It's kind of where it's all starting to come to life. Yeah, look at that. So obviously that still needs to be done, but yeah, we've got the kind of tobacco-y type colour of leather in against the black. But yeah, so now I've been set a job, which is stripping all the little kind of buttons off of the centre console, the cigarette button here, hinges, ashtray, cigarette thing here, and then stripping all of this off because obviously this all needs to be retrimmed, getting this gator off and stuff. So let's do it. Alright, so all the little fixings and bits off of this centre console, got the gator off, all the switches and stuff, and now Andy's just got me heating up this little steamer, I think. I'm going to try and get all this vinyl, I think, off, but this helps with obviously getting it off because it's been on there with glue, so try and do it without burning my fingers. Alright, so here's a little update from me. As you can see, I'm not in the workshop, I'm at home, but I wanted to give you an update on what's been going on with the delay on these episodes. So, with it being a restoration, there are things that have kind of delayed the process, but we are kind of nearly back on track. I've decided to get the car tuned, which I'll be kind of, showing you guys that whole process, but the next episode will be the last episode and the reveal of the fully working, fully driving Range Rover Classic that we have worked so hard on, but in the meantime there are going to be a few other videos that I think you guys are going to enjoy, with kind of maybe some insights into what is actually going to be happening on this channel in the next couple of months, and kind of maybe some new projects that hopefully you will enjoy if you've enjoyed this Range Rover one. But I just wanted to say thanks so much for supporting. I've read all of your messages and all of your emails and DMs that you've kind of sent me about where's the next video. We're kind of waiting to see the Range Rover video, but I can't wait to show you the finished product very, very soon in the next episode. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the next videos, and thanks again. All right guys, bye-bye.